here we are, Carmelich Construction, another crawl space encapsulation. Picture on the outside of the house just to show the movement. Obviously they're at the bottom of a hill. Hydrostatic pressure will always move its way under a house. So essentially just showing the vents. Now covered in air-sealed polyurethane foam on the inside. In this case, didn't have to utilize a sump pump. Tied in a French drain to an area right here that was already in place, which was nice. Now entering the crawl space. How well the light is, but again, I insulated the walls with, in this case, it was R15 2x4 walls. I wanted to go a little bit extra, give them the most I could. Went R15 and then put a radiant barrier over the top, air sealed at the rim. Essentially brought this home almost within the realm of needing mechanical ventilation. There are some green aspects going on here for ventilation just by default. This is propane, propane being a heavier gas. In this area, it's common to have vents that open up to go ahead and allow for any escape of gas. We did put in a direct vent water heater, which should help in the efficiency as well as negate having to worry about flue gases as well. Relocated that from over there to here. Sealed and air sealed all the plumbing pipes, etc. In this case, this was the flue for the draft water heater, and I'm just leaving that open for some makeup air. So essentially, you have a couple things going on. You have passive issues like that, which in this case are a help, as well as the vent there, which just allows for just some air exchange. This is a fairly decent sized volume here. In this case, putting in the direct vent water heater just made things a bit safer, obviously. There's a 20 mil moisture barrier on the floor here, and I used 12 mil on the walls. Up and around, sealed around the piers. And I'm done. Just one last glimpse around. And one more crawl space down. Take a peek at the dehumidifier running right now. Where is she? Compact Air Plus. I am a preferred installer. This is one of the products that Crawlspace Concepts use. This little guy move up to an area of 1,500 square feet to 1,600. I utilized a separate dehumidistat that I put off here in the corner, which tends to be where the owner said moisture was noticeable most after the rains. So I have a little fan that just helps move the air, and I put that right over there. I use some fabric straps just to allow non-transmittance of sound, and that just helps move the air a little bit in conjunction with the dehumidifier. But they're working separately. Set it about the same relative humidity. Got them set at about 50. See how that works out for the client as far as runtime. But essentially, there it is. Another crawl space down. Hopefully many more to go. This is Steve Carmelich, owner of Carmelich Construction. I'm an affiliation, preferred contractor with Crawlspace Concepts. I am a BPI certified, green certified professional through Build It Green, and I work in affiliation with Green Check Collective. I was referred to this project by Crawlspace Concepts of Michigan. Give me a call if you have any moisture issues or you want just some input from, at this point, someone I feel myself is fairly experienced at this point. I did go through a 3-day business training in Michigan with Crawlspace Concepts, and that was after I had some experience installing a couple of these Crawlspace encapsulations myself, just based off their product and asking a lot of questions. Just led me to further investigate and be interested in learning more about it as a business. And here I am. Give me a call, 707-470-9677. Thank you.